Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do some touch-ups on the AE86, so come along. So if you've been watching the channel the last 5 months, 6 months, we've been working on the Drag WRX. That's on the dyno right now, getting ready to be tuned this weekend. But that leaves us time to actually work on some of the other projects that we've been neglecting. And one of them is going to be the AE86. So we stashed this here late last year, mostly for storage. A couple things that are glaringly obvious. No rear bumper, no exhaust. The exhaust I had on it, I was borrowing, so I got to give that back. There may or may not have been some price increases on things from overseas, so I splurged and bought a JDM rear bumper. It's behind our mess over here. We'll get it out. Jason and I are gonna get it out of its little storage spot on the lift, exhaust, and see about a rear bumper. I don't think we'll be able to get it all the way on tonight because it's gonna need hardware to bolt through. It's pretty big. I don't know if we have some laying around, but
okay.
We'll at least see what we got to deal with.
All right. We'll have to diligently pluck it out-ish.
Yeah.
Well, the good thing is it's light. It moves fairly easy on the dollies.
Yeah, especially those dollies. That's a game changer for us.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So just watch back there so we don't smash these taillights. A little bit more, maybe. Okay.
I think we'll make it here.
Okay.
Let me watch.
I'll watch the front. You watch the back.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of room here. How's the front looking?
Looking good. How's that front corner by the welding bench there?
Good. We got probably 2 feet close to it. How's your watch? Well, you can.
Yeah, I can watch this side. Ooh, front's coming around. Ooh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's see. Yeah, so we got an HKS high power exhaust that we're gonna, well, and by we, Jason's gonna put on because I still have to clean up from this winter's wiring fiasco back here.
All right, which way does this have to go?
Upside down. Yep.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yep. Let's see what you're doing. I can get the hand real quick.
Are these long enough?
Should be.
Those other ones were longer. Oh, down there, I have to put those in. Oh, it's not that heavy either. That exhaust gasket looked a little better than the other one.
Yeah, I noticed.
Okay, I can't see what you're doing over there. Oh.
Your end's got to come up. Up and away.
More?
Yep.
About there. About as high as I can go.
Sure. Got nuts and stuff.
Sure do. Okay, there you go.
Okay. So they're in position. This is a $1,300 rear bumper here, Jason.
Woo. I'll be careful with that.
Please. Remember when we drove this with no alternator?
Yeah, that was fun.
Those are tight.
All right.
Cool. You want to see if we got in your drawer that's sticking out a bigger hose clamp that we can like hose clamp this over on? All right, let's see how the bumper fits. Or do you want to look for bolts first? Want to grab that side? So it like slides underneath this, and then this hooks in on here.
Okay. This one's gonna need some massaging.
No. It's underneath, and then this part hooks.
Oh, okay. I misunderstood that.
Oop.
I don't know if I'm in that slot or not.
Just don't zip tie it super tight, because I don't want to break the bumper itself, you know?
Yep, okay. Do I need one on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll have that. You'll have that on these big jobs.
That's good.
Oh, there it goes. Ooh.
Oh, hide tape over here.
Yeah, and the exhaust cleared too.
Yeah.
Looks much better.
You can see how much the quarter panel's a little wavy there.
Yeah, she's a little crunched.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a fun one because this is gonna be a full restore at some point, but cool, dude.
Someday.
Yeah, so over the weekend I got some of the bolts put in back here, so the bumper's secured now. I actually took it for a drive. Exhaust sounds awesome. But I remembered that we have a clutch master cylinder leaking. So I had actually ordered it from Flows last year, so we just gotta get it out. And that's gonna be fun, especially this stud down here. But Jason and I will get her.
Sure.
I'll start on the inside, you start on the outside here?
We'll get my 3/8 here wrench here on this Japanese car. It's one American part on here.
Well, that line's not OEM.
You just gotta go wrecking the fun. Oh, all right. Well, you always give me the hard ones. Hip
hop anonymous. All right, inside stuff is done.
Well, that's good. La 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 la. Forklift certified. You getting it?
Well, I lied, Jason.
Did you now?
Yep, you have to take the booster out to do it. Oh, look at that.
What?
You got a 12 wrench? I think, though, we can probably unbolt the booster.
Yeah.
And, like, push it forward.
Is it those two on the end there?
No, that's the master. It's under the dash. Okay, see if the booster will pull off a little bit.
Not much. Oh, hang on. Need more. Well, wait a second. If I can get this. Uh-oh. I think that nut's just stripped.
Isn't it funny how sometimes you have to do that? Turn your body the opposite way. Yeah, we did it, Jason.
Yay. Oh yeah, that's definitely blowed out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's way out to the end. Look at that. There it goes.
All right, Jason. You're gonna probably want to do the pedal, I'm assuming.
Sure.
All right, down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Down. All right, hold it down.
Okay.
I think we got all the air out of it.
Huh?
Pump it up.
Pump it?
Yeah.
Okay. There's some pressure there.
I see it moving down there. I think we're good.
Feels good. I don't know what it felt like before.
It's not a super heavy clutch or anything.
Okay.
All right, well, it feels like we got pressure. I'm just gonna charge the battery up here. And then hopefully by the end of the night, we can verify that it actually works. So, all right, we got the battery reset. We got a charger on here for a little bit. It should start up. And then I just need to move it forward so I gotta get the Evo in, but we'll know if it's bled too then at that point. So that feels like how it felt.
Okay. Oh, there we go. It moved forward. It's running smooth. All right.
Yeah, sweet. Well, the only other things we gotta do on the car really is clean up the wiring inside. I gotta take the cluster out and put a resistor in it so the tach actually works. And then it's mostly just little things here and there to quality of life type things. Cause like right now the interior is just torn. The dash is even bolted. I can pull it out by hand. Like,
right.
Like,
Yeah, she's pretty loosey-goosey.
yeah, it's not bolted.
And
yeah, that mess.
maybe some wire. No, that's fine. That's fine. Just keep your feet out of there.
That's what I told Carissa when she rode it the other day. So that's where we're gonna leave this episode. If you guys are looking forward to more AE86 content, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you guys next time.